More and more entrepreneurs are moving their physical store to online because selling on the internet cuts down 50% of the operation expenses, such as office rental and utilities. Therefore, sellers are able to offer a lower price for the same product you get from a retail store. Going online also exposes your business to a larger audience, and thus more sales are coming your way. If you still have a physical shop, you should create an online store right now. There is a problem though. Building your own online store requires certain skills. Technical skills such as website coding and photo editing are necessary for beginners. Without the basic skills, your e-store may look unpresentable. Fortunately, more and more e-commerce platforms have been developed, which simplifies and eliminates your biggest problem. Out of so many e-commerce platforms out there, Shopify is the most ideal. Whether you're a startup, business owner, affiliate, or dropship agent, there is nowhere better than Shopify because it contains zero technical stuff, it's budget-friendly, the navigation control is easy to use, and so much more. Even if you're a newbie with no prior selling experience or technical skills to set up a store, you will still be able to do it. This is the biggest benefit of Shopify. To give you a good kick to set up everything at ease, I have come out with a training course called Shopify Blueprint. This is a full-fledged training course that teaches you how to get started with Shopify, set up your Shopify e-store, identify hot-selling products, launch your e-store, and so much more. This training course contains all the answers to your questions so that you don't have to figure it out on your own. While exploring on your own will take much longer for you to see results, I have made everything in my blueprint as simple as possible for you to follow exactly what I did. This blueprint is the culmination of my researches and studies. By eliminating technical jargon and simplifying business theories, I have put everything together for you so that you can digest my information without second guessing. Click on the button below to secure your instant access today.